JCDRILL multifunctional JCD1000T vehicle-mounted drilling rig, which integrates core drilling, anchoring, automatic hydraulic SPT, and DTH drilling into one robust system. The rig supports core drilling up to 1100 m depth, and accommodates various sampling diameters, including BQ, NQ, HQ, and PQ. Also equipped with an air compressor for simultaneous DTH drilling operations. 4 heavy-duty hydraulic outriggers extend smoothly to the ground, ensuring full stability and keeping the drill level on challenging terrain. The drilling mast can be extended up to 6.6 meters and adjusted for multi-angle drilling between 45 and 90 degrees. A laterally movable rotary head allows for quick and convenient rod handling, while its adjustable rotation and feed speeds provide flexibility for different drilling torque and speed requirements. Hydraulic rod clamp ensures safe and fast rod loading, and the dual hydraulic winches greatly facilitate wireline core retrieval operations. The JCD1000T is a powerful, versatile, and reliable vehicle-mounted core drilling rig, an essential machine for all your mining and exploration tasks.